Anayo mwanchi umuliyeliani otokwende mase mogoika Kaunti ya Nyamira asingo komanyabuna serikali ya Kaunti yo nigo yabakiego chake bene omorobelio bukorwa obasemya gochya ase abana bagosira ne serikali yo ya Kaunti ya Nyamira inse yomorobelio we scholarship moyego yo nigo bakogokorekana ase skuru ya secondary ya Nyansiongo asoba gokobwatania aborkigwa korwa chiwodi emerongevere me Kaunti yo bakura kurase chinka chitali kwenyara au bale gwetania chimi isano moyego yo nigo bakogochakigwa abene no waziri w'ekisemi imeye Kaunti ya Nyamira Emily Ongaga amana babwatani bande b'ekisemi asiba bakoli eirabunamba chigokinya ebirengo by'ekisemi imeye Kaunti ya Nyamira nabo igokwaneke buna abana abo babere bagokina ne chimbwa chingya.
Siku ya leo hivi tuko na mpango wa mentorship ya our students who are on full scholarship. This is the second phase of this program and it is running from, it started yesterday. Our students arrived yesterday, Form 1, Form 2 and Form 3. These students are from all the 20 wards within Nyamira County. And this scholarship program is the initiative of His Excellency, the Governor. We are in the process of implementing Governor's mandate of ensuring that education is the key, ensuring that our students are well catered for, they learn in a good environment, and Governor has gone out of his way to sponsor these students in this full scholarship. In this scholarship, the students are paid for the school fees in full, they are given uniform in full, and they are given a box to go to school. The program is running from yesterday, today, tomorrow, and Wednesday will be the climax, when His Excellency the Governor will be here in person, together with the area MP, the area MCA, the honorable members from County Assembly, the Speaker, the Deputy Governor, the County Commissioner, so that they also can have time to share with our students.
Program where nabato wishet ya sengenje demand is so high. Nabato wishet ye have expanded, balibara bataka chenu ndio anda bataka na bwa bange nseye. Lakini njoko ni kwa nebu na one of the leaders ku Nyamira. Wose Kenya. Again tonkere president yetu ya leta ge kurokunga housing levy. Strongly can nigga don't condemn. Could again to go and collect to us in say. Again, when the collector education levy. Alert education levy, abana to back and which fees once pay. Kero one or three primary again the secondary. Again to Konya, Bible Bati Moke, or you know, Mother squeeze on a
such kind of forum, let them continue within our county so that at the end of the day you can be having people who are much educated. That the light of devolution in every county in this nation can be actually be seen in every family.